HTML images allow you to seamlessly integrate visual content into your web pages. Using the img tag, you can display static or dynamic images, customize attributes like size and alignment, and optimize for responsiveness. Images play a crucial role in enhancing user experience and conveying info. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert images into your web pages. The HTML img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The img tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The required src attribute specifies the path URL to the image. The required alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it. You can use the style attribute to specify the width and height of an image. Use the CSS flow property to let the image flow to the right or to the left of a text. Now let's add a paragraph in our web page. Put a style attribute to set the padding and alignment to justify the text. Add another image to the web page. Follow the same process. Now, let's set the image as background of the web page. You can also use color as background by using the background color property in the CS. Thank you for watching.